are we going? Where are we going tonight? Very exciting.
To Grandpa to watch some fireworks.
Watch some fireworks at Pray and Pie.
Yeah. Oh.
What else are they doing?
And the Christmas lights.
Putting the lights on. Are you going to push the button?
No.
Because you're a superstar. Really?
No.
I bet you do.
I'm such a baby.
Next year they might get you down
I'm such
to
a
it.
baby.
Yeah. We're excited, aren't we? We've never had Christmas lights in France before, have we?
No.
No.
Well.
No, we haven't. Not turned on.
Well, this morning when I woke up, when I was going to school,
Yeah.
in the cell they've put some.
They're getting them all ready, putting them all on ready for tonight, aren't they? Testing them all.
Yep.
Shall we
Right.
go and see then?
Should we get going?
Come on, I'll get your hat. You go get in the car and I'll get your hat. Okay, it is. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Was that good? How good were the fireworks?
It's good.
Were they good?
Wasn't it?
Wouldn't be thinking about them.
Oh, it's a bit cold.
It's not warm. It's nice, but it wasn't warm, was it?
No, it was a bit rainy, a bit wet, wasn't it? Yeah.
Close the door.
I know. Did you enjoy it? Yeah. What
Did you like all the fireworks?
like?
God, the fireworks were awesome.
Awesome. What did they do? Tell them, Terry, what did they do?
Bang, 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 bang.
They were pretty good, really, weren't they?
For such a little place, it was
Yeah,
dead,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
the extravagant. They didn't, like, hold off.
You liked them, didn't you?
Yeah.
We were right at the front as well, weren't we?
Well, because we went to Alton Towers to see the fireworks one time, didn't we?
We did.
Do you remember?
Remember, you were only little then. You were only a
But
baby.
there were loads of fireworks.
Dragons in the sky and
Can't even remember.
No, well, he was only little, wasn't he?
Yeah,
He was only
yeah, yeah.
about 3 or 4, probably 4.
Yeah, but they were just as good, to be honest. I think, like,
Yeah.
the display that they'd done, it was
Yeah.
fantastic.
Such a little
Yeah.
place to do
So-
something
yeah.
so brilliant.
Yeah.
It was good, really good.
Yeah.
Remember, we're in rural France in the middle of nowhere.
We made
so-
a massive effort. And there was dancers, wasn't there?
Yeah, do you remember the
Scary.
dancers?
The lady, they were a bit scary
Do
on
you have the man at
stilts.
the back on the
Yeah.
stilts when he was like that?
Yeah.
He was just like moving like that. He couldn't even
Because he was on
move.
stilts, wasn't he?
And then the
Still
one,
were as tall as you, I
and
think,
the
weren't
one
they?
in front was he was just walking now.
Yeah.
But
It
the
was
one
fun.
behind, the other one was just like that.
Uh-huh.
Just moving like that. He wasn't even...
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've got to do it again next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, wrap
Yeah.
up with another 7 days next year.
Wrap up like a big fat Bigfoot of
Yeah.
about 8 days of
And we'll take them
corpse.
some Snickers.
Yeah.
No, Knickers!
Knickers.
That's Knickers.
Okay then, we're going to have something to eat now and then bed.
Get tea.
Yeah? Jonathan, where have we just been?
Just been into church for a carol concert which I was singing.
You were singing with all your school friends. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I enjoyed it as well. I thought it was superb. You had the biggest voice there. Definitely. Did you have a nice hat on?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did you get as a prize for singing so well?
Chocolate.
Some chocolates. That's our first carol service, isn't it?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to go to church every Sunday?
Maybe.
Okay then, we'll go and tell Terry and Ash what it was like.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the first day of Christmas, my chateau gave to me a donkey that won't go to sleep.
If you'd like to join us on our family journey, bringing back this once forgotten chateau, then please join us on Patreon for behind the scenes footage, updates, live chat and your very own piece of the chateau.